Siri talking to me. She's listening to my conversations and I don't appreciate it. Welcome back to my channel. This is Dem Kids Mama, brought to you today by Dem Kids Teacher. Yes, I am both of them. I am a mama all the time and I'm a teacher during the day. So, as you can saw on the title of this video, this is my 1 month update for my Microlocs. So I have been locked for 1 month. 1 month. 1 month, 1 month, 1 month, one month, y'all. So, and it's been wonderful. But let me stop. To all of my subscribers, thank you so very much for subscribing. And thank you so much for coming back. If you have not yet subscribed, if you have not given your yes, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Share this. If you love it, keep coming back. Hit the notification bell so you will not miss when I post another video, okay? Now that we got all of that out of the way, back to these locs. So I completed the installation of my Microlocs on December 24th, on Christmas Eve. I installed them using the 2-strand twist method and just interlocked the roots. So I believe I had about 18 to 20 sections, and I just worked those sections. I started, I believe it was on a Tuesday, and I finished that Friday on Christmas Eve. I just worked a few hours a day. I cannot really tell you exactly how many hours that it took in total. I'm gonna have to go back and think about that. But it did, I just did a few hours every day from Tuesday to that Friday when I completed. I did not interlock my roots right away. I actually waited a week just to make sure all of my parts were correct, make sure that they were the size that I wanted them to be before I went in and interlocked them. So I completed interlocking them on December 31st. Now there is a section right here that it's just like a chunk right here that I did not interlock because I got tired and I was like, I'll get to it, but never did. And then by the time I wanted to get to it, I said I might as well just wait and interlock them all when I do my retie. So it's not a big deal. I don't see any difference except for the roots is a little bit, the roots there a lot, you know, I have more roots here than I do all over the rest of my hair. So but it's not affecting anything really, so it's cool. I did have my first wash about 2 weeks ago. I did the braid and band method, so I just braided my hair loosely, put a ponytail holder at the end of it, and I used shampoo to clean my hair. I did not use, though, the infamous Suave clarifying shampoo. I used the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Wow, I was about to say that for real. Jamaican Black Castor Oil with the apple cider vinegar. So I read that that is considered a clarifying shampoo as well. So I used that to clean my hair. And it worked great. I don't have, my scalp is not overly dried. Now there was a section in the back, in the very back, where it was itching like crazy. Like I wanted to just tear my whole scalp apart. And I believe it could be because of the weather. I'm in Michigan, so if you look, if you see this white here, it's not the lights, it's snowing outside. We are currently in the middle of a snowstorm where the projected amount is 10 to 15 inches, but that's something we're used to. Hey, we're in Michigan. But sometimes the cold weather affects my hair a lot, and my hair dries a lot in the winter months. So that could have been it. But all I did was put some tea tree oil on my scalp and I was good. Didn't have any more itching. I mean, it cleared it just like that. So I would suggest if you were experiencing itching, dryness in your scalp, use tea tree oil. I did, I applied the tree tea. Wow. I applied the tea tree oil on my scalp, but then I followed it with a little bit of coconut oil as the carrier oil. So it would not be too strong on my skin, because I do, in certain areas, I do have sensitive skin. My face is very sensitive. So although I can use tea tree oil in my scalp, I cannot use it on my face. So I did not know what type of effect that would have. So I wanted to make sure I was safe there. But that's how it has been going lately. I am absolutely loving this journey. If you guys saw my first video on the install, you guys could see that my hair fell a lot longer than it does now. Like right now, even if I take the headband off, it's still the shrinkage is real, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm not fighting against it. I am here for it. I've noticed within the last few days my hair shrunk more than it did about a week ago. And again, I'm still cool with it. I'm still here for it. So if you are one that do not embrace the blessing in the shrinkage, then you can do things like put your locks in a low ponytail or a low bun, and you can stretch it out. With my hair, if I wanted to stretch it out, I honestly can put it in a loose bun or a loose ponytail for about 10 minutes. Like, it don't take much for me. I can put it in a loose ponytail for 10 minutes, and when I take it down, it's some stretch. It's not all the way stretched out, but there's some stretch. If I wanted to see a little bit more length, I can do that, or even split it down the middle and put a ponytail here and a ponytail there. Then I can see some stretch. But I'm pretty cool because it alternates and it varies. Like some days I have more shrinkage than others. Like I can wake up tomorrow and my hair looks more stretched out than it did today. So there's just different phases to it, and I'm here for the whole journey. So if you are one who don't mind shrinkage, who you don't mind the inconsistencies of your hair length, then you good. You'll be just fine. You'll fit right in. But overall, this has been a great journey. I have not though experienced lint, like a lot of lint buildup. I don't know if it's because I don't wear a lot of clothes that leave lint. I do have a very soft poncho.
I'm not sure I understand.
And Siri talking to me. She listening to my conversations, and I don't appreciate that. Anyway, I have a soft poncho, and it leaves lint on anything that I have on under it. So I do notice that I have noticed that has not even it hasn't gotten stuck in my locks. But I am grateful. I do expect that it could happen one day, and when it happens, I'll just deal with it then. So did I just say then? Yeah, I deal with it then. Okay, got it. All right, so other than that, okay, so I covered the first shampoo, lint, shrinkage, frizz. I do have a little frizz that's on the shaft of the twist, like a little bit there, but it's not overbearing and it's not crazy. So again, it's something that I can handle. But other than that, it's not, I don't have frizz where I look like a poodle or a something that's frizzy. So I'm okay where it's frizz in between, and all you see is frizz like a bad curly synthetic wig. We're not going for synthetic wig. That's not the look I'm going for, because I that's not a part of my makeup. So I just thank God that that's not what we're doing. Like I said, the most frizz that I have is probably on some of the hair shafts right here, the twist, and that's it. But that's it. In about 2 weeks, I do believe that I am going to do my retie. That will be, because this is about week 6, but week 5 interlocked. So, and my roots look, they can use a retie, but they're not crazy where, I do have one right here that is locked here. Like the interlock is right here, because if I put my finger in it, I can't go any further. I can't, so it's not going to unravel. It's just all of this right here that needs to be interlocked. But this is probably the most. And wait, nope. And yeah, that is the most, because even with this one, you can see we have that amount right there. But I don't have any that's on its way slipping all the way out. So I think I can go another week or two, before I start retying. And I'm excited about that. And of course, I'm bringing you a video about it. But yeah, other than that, I am enjoying this journey. I am so glad I started this journey. I also started my 16-year-old Naya. I started her locks, Microlocs, using the 2-strand twist method, and I interlocked her roots. There's a video about that, which I'm so excited about, because she loves her hair right now, and she's a low maintenance type girl. She don't like a lot of combing, brushing, so this was right up her alley, and she looks beautiful with her Microlocs. So check that video out. If you have any questions for me as a newly locked person, I guess you can say, then yeah, just put it in the description box, in the comment, not the description box, that's my job. Put it in the comments, y'all. Put it in the comments. I had a whole day of virtual teaching, so I'm not together right now. Put it in the comments, and I will be able to answer. If there's anything that you want to see, if you want to see hairstyles, if you want to see how I style my hair, if you want to see my nightly routine, my morning routine, just let me know, and I'll bring it to you. So that is all for now. Thank you so very much for coming by and clicking play. I really appreciate it. Again, like, comment, subscribe, share. All right. This is Them Kids Mama signing out. All right. Don't forget to command your day.